We will talk about chestnuts. Chestnuts are known their flavor and textures, and let's talk about their health effects. Their composition is important and specific because they have low fat compared to other nuts. So most of the nuts are high in fats, and chestnuts are very low in fats, and their content is primary carbohydrates and predominantly form of starch. Starch will convert it into glucose eventually, so it means when you eat chestnut, mostly you eat carbohydrate and glucose. But another important characteristic is that it has low glycemic index. Its glycemic index is 54. 54 glycemic index is considered low, and most fruits has around 54 glycemic index. It means it does not cause blood sugar spikes. So it means that chestnut is safe for people with diabetes, people with insulin resistance, because of low glycemic index. Also, it's high in fiber content, low fat, and high in minerals. When we say high dietary fibers, it means around 6 grams per 100 gram of chestnut. 6 grams is considered high dietary fiber. It's not super high, of course, and some seeds contain much more dietary fiber than 6 grams, but it's still considered important amount. And about health effects, chestnut is considered that it decreases risk of cardiovascular health because of this fiber, because of low fat content and high mineral contents. And predominantly it is rich with magnesium, copper, potassium, and phosphorus. These minerals are important, and a person intakes a most daily dosage of minerals when eating chestnut. Also, chestnut is rich in vitamin C. It's important because other nuts usually don't contain vitamin C. That's why it's important and different from other nuts. And it more looks like half it looks like potato, half looks like fruits, and half looks like nuts. So chestnut has very specific composition, and it's very interesting. Also, chestnut is high in antioxidants, and more specifically, these antioxidants are gallic acid and agallic acids. They are strong antioxidants, and they decrease risk of chronic disease in the body because they have anti-inflammatory effect. They can neutralize free radicals, and vitamin C content also is strong antioxidant. And chestnut contains around 43% of dietary value of vitamin C. So when you're eating 100 grams of chestnut, you getting 46% of dietary value, dietary requirement of your daily dosage of vitamin C. Three main forms of chestnut exist: raw, you can eat them raw, or boiled or roasted. Most healthiest form is raw. Boiled form is also healthier, roasted is least healthier, but in case of boil, you're losing some important amount of vitamin C. That's why a raw form is considered healthiest form. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you for your interest. Thank you for your watching. If you like my videos, please thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye for now.